it is Ipsy Glam bag time again. I am mildly concerned that mine showed up a couple days later than literally everyone that I gave out my free promo invites to, and even people I know that are normally subscribed. However, I just got distracted by how super red the sunset is tonight. I just caught a glimpse of it in the mirror. I was like, ooh, it's so pretty. I wish I could show you, but I don't feel like it'll pick up accurately on camera. But anyway, what I'm concerned about is that, and that, it appears to be taped back shut. Yeah. I swear if things are missing, I am not going to be thrilled. But anyway, or if things are used, I will be freaking livid. You know what else I'll be livid of? If I don't get the blue bag. There are 3 colorways the bag could be this month. Red, yellow, or blue. Blue is my favorite color. Literally everyone I know who got theirs 2 days ago got blue. Mine didn't come. I just have this feeling in my gut I'm gonna get the stupid yellow one, but I guess we're gonna find out. So I'm not gonna fiddle with that tape. I'm gonna go ahead and just snip the top of the bag. Okay. Something like that. I did not get the blue. But I also didn't get the yellow, so I mean, you know, I guess I could live with that. And what I did forget is that I cashed out my points, my spare points. You know how, like, after you rate your stuff on there, you amass, like, points every month? I got a free product for it, and you can choose. So if you're unaware, you can do that on Ipsy. That's a thing you can do on Ipsy. So I got, this is from Aurora, for all lip lovers. Something in soft pink. What was it again? 24-hour lively lip stain. Duo tip. It looks like it rotates according to the little picture on the side. I'm really not quite sure what it is, but I had points that were about to expire, so I figured I'd cash them out. And it was like the one thing on there that looked like something I'd use that I didn't already have. Anyway, here's the bag. I feel like I might be able to get somebody to trade with me, quite possibly. Quite possibly 2 different people I might be able to talk into. My sister might be one of them, since red is kind of her color, and it also has pink, so I mean, she did also offer, you know, if nobody out there, I'll trade with you, and I'm like, I'll see if anyone out here will trade first, but if not, we will have to do a swapsy. So, anyway, it is so cute, look at the little heart on it, it's so adorable! So, these were all for Pride Month themed, which if we see the little card, come here, okay. Yeah, the theme is flying colors. My thumb still hurts a little bit. As you can see, it's kind of cool. See, I thought all these colors were going to be bag options, but apparently not. Alas, but I will read you what the back says. There's a lot of it, so fair warning. At Ipsy, Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to be completely themselves without fear of judgment. That's why we're highlighting 7 LGBTQ+ creators, they forgot the A, who know what makes them different is also what makes them beautiful. But that's just the beginning. There's still so much work to do to educate the world on love, acceptance, and tolerance. Yeah, like including the A. And I don't mean for ally. Together we're making strides every day. Whether you're marching in a pride parade, out and proud, supporting your friends and loved ones, or just starting to learn about the LGBTQ plus A movement, we hope that your Flying Colors glam bag and all the stories on Ipsy.com will inform, empower, and motivate you to be your best, most loving, vibrant self this June. Hashtag Ipsy Flying Colors. P.S. We teamed up with MAC, one of our beauty besties, to celebrate Pride all month long with killer cashback deals on tons of MAC products. They've led the way in championing LGBTQ plus A rights for decades, so we couldn't think of a better partner to help us spread some rainbow love. Head over to ipsy.com/shop to check it out. And I can definitely attest that there are MAC products on there for cheap right now, because I spotted some of their lip gloss products on there for really, really affordable, and I was definitely debating it, but I don't have the fundage right now, but go check it out if you do. But anyway, I'm gonna blindly reach into the bag. I got something cylindrical in my hand. Whoop! Ah, I was hoping for the red one. Okay, so this was one of the ones where I took a little peeksy at the online site, and they always say you might get one of such and such colors, and there was either a coral color or a red color. I got the coral. Anyway, it is by a brand called Duce, and is Luscious Lip Stain in 615 Passion Peach. I don't know how I feel about a lip stain in this corally color. Would have preferred the red, but oh well. We'll try it out sometime. We'll see how it does. Okay, next product. I feel something cardboard. What is it? Oh, fancy. We have a carded thing. Grove Collaborative Mint and Argan Lip Balm. Haha! With hydrating chia seed oil. I can read. And I guess it's in this, right here. I realize from back here it all just kind of blends in white. But on the back it has writing. Supremely hydrating, ultra nourishing, with organic argan. I can read, I swear! With organic argan, chia seed, and coconut oil, our lip balm provides a powerful dose of antioxidants and essential fatty acids for healthy, beautiful lips. Apply, reapply, and repeat. Okay. Anyway, learn more and claim your exclusive new customer offer, $20 value free at www.grove.co/Ipsy. Well, again, that will get its own review. Haha, another Luxie brush. You guys know how much I live for whenever they send me these. Does it say what size this is? This is a small shader brush. I'm not sure. I feel like they sent one of these in the past, but maybe not. But I always just love how freaking soft. Oh, no, they did not. It's all contoured. Look at that. It's all like chiseled. Oh my goodness. But they're so soft. They're so ridiculously soft. Aww. Just pretending that I'm putting stuff on, even though it's not even loaded. I don't care. It's so soft. I love these. I love that they're like rose gold and pink. They're just really cute and really soft. And I know, I'm redundant right now. I know. Okay, next thing. There's two things. There's a big thing and there's a small thing. I think I'll grab the big thing. Oh, that's way bigger than I thought it was going to be from looking on the website. Formula 10.0.6, 3 times Sublime, 3-in-1 blackhead wash plus scrub plus mask. Pink grapefruit and jojoba. This miraculous multitasker, almost a toner, makes light work of stubborn blackheads to remove excess oil, unclog pores, and eliminate blemishes. Pink grapefruit cleanses while jojoba exfoliates. Its 3-in-1 formula acts as a wash, scrub, and mask for the complete complexion overhaul. That is actually rather nice. Oh wow, this brand's been around since 1933. What the hell? I've literally never heard of it before. That's pretty cool, and like I said, I'm kind of shocked at how big that tube is. Usually they're like little bitty things when they send these. That I'm stoked for. And then last but not least, I must know, what color did I get? Ooh, look how cute. Look how cute the box is. It's rose gold! I'm sorry, I've like grown to freaking love rose gold things. So this is by Steve Laurent. It's eyeshadow. Do we have a name? Green apple. Okay. Okay, I was hoping for the turquoise, but honestly, any one of the three I was gonna be stoked with, because all of them were pretty. The blue, the green, and the turquoise, but check it out. That is going to be quite bold. Just saying. But, you know, if I play with it right, I feel like I might be able to pull it off. I might. It may take some trial and error, but I think I could do it. What do you guys think? It did not look this green on the website, so I'm like, wow, was the blue that much more shocking? Like the color of my shirt and the turquoise? Dang, I should see if I can buy those other two colors through the website, because I'm like, I kind of really want them now. But dang, that is some bright green. I'm like, How exactly shall I pull this off? Especially as somebody who really doesn't know what the hell they're doing with makeup. Let me know your thoughts. But anyway, that is what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag this month. So, as usual, you guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not already and you'd like to click subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Are you an Ipsy Glam Bag member? If so, did you and I get anything in common in our glam bags this month? Let me know down below, or even just let me know what you got in your bag. If you filmed the unboxing video, make sure you link it down below, or just tell me to go check out your channel so I can go see it, because I always love watching and seeing what else everybody got. It's just fascinating to me. But anyways, make sure you follow my social media accounts. They're all listed down below. And yes, my hair is wet before anybody asks. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, which does help a lot, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.